Hello, hello, hello! Magandang araw! Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na Mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ngayon ay ang inyong third party energy love reading. Okay, para ito sa lahat ng earth signs, Virgo, Capricorn, and Taurus. Okay. So, tingnan natin. May masasagot nating energy. And please take note na ang third-party energy ay hindi lamang romantic. So, anything or anyone na nakaka-apekto sa connection or relasyon mo with your person or may effect sa inyong dalawa is a third-party energy. So, pwedeng kaibigan, kamag-anak, kapamilya, katrabaho, kaklase, pwedeng trabaho din mismo, school, career, priorities, at iba. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Bubunot ako ng tatlong set, dalawang cards each for the recent past, present, and near future. Okay? And gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Virgo, Taurus, and Capricorn na patuloy na sumusuporta sa Mystico Moreno channel. At sa mga bago, sana supportan nyo rin po by subscribing. And please like this video. It helps the channel grow. Okay? Sige, simulan natin. So, I'll get the fourth card. Till April na ngayon. Okay, recent past. Okay, Four of Swords. And Four of Coins. Oh, 4-4. So, this may be a significant number sa inyo. At the present moment, you have the Knight of Coins. And 9 of Wands. And in the near future, you have the Two of Coins. And the King of Swords. Okay, so any signs naman na walang main energy ng specific zodiac na nakikita dito. So, any signs will do sa person niyo. Okay? I can see here na hindi siya something romantic. Okay? Pero let's clarify. Is it... I can see here na more on career siya related. Yun yung unang download na pumasok sa akin na it's related to another priority but nothing romantic. Okay? So, which involves other people outside the relationship na may effect. So, is this something related sa career? Yeah, Six of Wands, yes. And it's about, and Six of Wands is a card of, alam mo yun, yung being successful, victorious, and alam mo yun, yung recognition. So, I can sense here na yung priority ng person niyo is at the moment, career. Gusto niyang success, ganun, sa chosen career niya. To the point na sobrang focus na siya doon. Napaka-workaholic siya. May gusto siyang patunayan. Okay? Pwedeng patunayan sa sarili niya at sa'yo na kaya kanyang suportahan. Kaya todo kayod siya at the moment. And nafe-feel mo na parang wala na siyang oras sa'yo, na halos hindi na rin kayo nagkikita, nag-uusap. I can also see here na na marami siyang business trips din. Yung to the point nga na parang magkikita lang kayo, hi, hello sa, lalo na kung magkasama kayo sa isang bubong, hi, hello, di ba? Ganyan. And, nakikita ko dito din na you're trying to get his or her attention na, tama na work, sa akin yan. Lalo na relate ko, may naririnig kayong kahol ng aso sa labas. It's like, you barking to your person na, uy, andito ako, pasin mo naman ako, nandito ako, di ba? Parang wala ka ng oras sa akin, wala ka ng time sa akin, wala ka ng ibang ginagawa, kundi work. Although yung intention niya is good, the intention is, yun nga, to provide. However, kasi merong internal issue siya eh. Merong sa sarili lang niya na may gusto siyang patunayan, i-prove na kanya. Possible na you and your person is having conflict financially, gano'n. Tapos, yun nga, nagiging cause din ng na hindi pagkakaunawaan yung money matters. So, ngayon, parang may gusto siyang i-prove nga na kaya niya na suportahan yung relationship financially. And sa sarili niya, may gusto rin siya i-prove na kaya niya ma-promote, kaya niya na maging successful, kaya niyang yumaman, di ba? May ganong energy ako nakukuha. Okay, so sa recent past, kasi with the Four of Swords nga, parang, and with the Four of Swords and Four of Coins, 4. Medyo, nga siya, meron siyang tendency to control the situation kahit hindi na niya kaya i-control. Kaya, yun nga. So, I think something that he or she can control is ito, yung career niya, ganyan. Alam niya kung anong gagawin, kailangan niya, ito yung mga trabaho niya kailangan gawin. When it comes to, kasi and I feel here, meron siyang avoidant tendencies na work siya. Dahil, again, isa rin sa, aside sa may gusto siyang patunayan, gusto niya supportan yung relationship, parang for him or for her, it's his or her way of escaping yung intimacy, vulnerability. Mahal niya, pero yun nga, meron siya avoidant tendencies. So, pag ang tao kasi avoidant, takot siya sa intimacy, yun. So, yung way nila to parang makaiwas sa mga vulnerabilities is to immerse themselves too much sa trabaho. Okay? And yun yung nangyari in the recent past. Kaya at the present moment naman, ikaw, with the Knight of Coins na energy, di ba? You're doing your best naman. Ikaw, very consistent ka naman when it comes to expressing your love and affection. And with the 9 of Wands, you're being persistent naman na, hindi, sige, I'll do my part. Parang ganun ka naman na, sige, mag-effort pa rin ako, diba? And with the 9 of Wands naman din, sa energy naman ng person mo, talagang guarded siya. Medyo, yun nga, marami din siyang gustong i-prove sa sarili niya, being an avoidant. Okay? So, medyo guarded din talaga yung heart niya when it comes to being intimate. Kaya, nagmamanifest siya na parang hindi ka importante. Parang ganun. Pero hindi naman yun yung ano niya dahil ang mga avoidance, hindi lang sila magaling when it comes to expressing themselves, when it comes to expressing love. So, pero syempre sa'yo, ang manifestation or ang nakikita mo is yun nga, yung less time, less affection, less attention, di ba? Pero with the Knight of Coins naman, ito yung person mo is very responsible din naman. And yun nga, it's just his or her way of showing din na mahal ka niya. Pero, yun nga, may mga hindi niya mas priority niya din yung trabaho at the moment. Not saying na hindi ka niya mahal, pero yun nga, dahil nga may ito lang din yung way niya para makaiwas nga sa vulnerability. Okay? So, if you're not familiar with the attachment styles, avoidant, anxious, and secure, yeah, check it out. And yun yung energy na nasasagap ko dito. May avoidant tendencies yung person ninyo. So, in the near future, with the Two of Coins here, na there will be a choice na kailangan niyang gawin. And nakikita ko naman dito, once na yung choice na yon is the right choice, magkakaroon ng balance na sa relationship. And I can see here na ikaw feeling ko, kasi nga, as avoidant siya. So, ikaw yung mag-initiate nung conversation, diba, to talk at pag-usapan ano yung nangyayari. And you're the more mature when it comes to emotions. Mas emotionally mature ka, and you will be more direct. And kakausapin mo tong person na to. Rooted naman sa honesty. Hindi naman yung to just call this person out. Pero this will be an honest conversation, and hopefully it will help sa situation. Okay, sige, tingnan natin yung detalye nito. At habang binabalasa ko to, as I always remind everyone in this channel that what I'm doing is a collective reading. So, this is a collective reading para sa lahat ng earth signs. Kaya yung reading may or may not resonate with everyone. Okay? First, take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Pero kung hindi talaga nag-resonate, huwag niyong pilitin. Ibig lang sabihin, hindi ko na-tap yung energy ninyo. I'm trying to tap 3 signs. Okay? And, ayun. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Or, panoorin nyo yung mga videos na na-post ko na. Kasi, pwedeng yun ay mag-resonate sa inyo. Kasi ang tarot and oracle reading naman talaga ay timeless. Okay, saka best talaga to book a private personal reading dahil yon ay naka-align talaga sa energy ninyo. Naka-tune in tayo sa life nyo, sa energy ninyo, and not with anyone else's or everyone else's. Okay? So, ayun. Sige, bubunot ako ng clarification cards from this deck. Tingnan natin bakit ito yung mga lumabas din na cards. So, in the recent past, okay, the Empress. So, mahal ka nitong tao na to. Your person cares. Okay? And with the Empress card, so now you might be dealing actually with a Taurus. Doesn't have to. But with the Empress card, very caring tong tao na to. Yun nga, hindi niya alam dahil nga lumaki siya na hindi niya alam kung paano express yung mga emotions niya dahil na-develop yung kanyang avoidant tendencies. Pero, he or she really cares a lot sa'yo. This Empress energy is a very nurturing and abundant love. Diba? And with the 7 of Cups, okay, ano yun, may mga fantasies din siya na sana ganito, kaya niya tong gawin, sana kaya niyang express to sa'yo, sana mas napaparamdam niya sa'yo, okay? Pero, yun nga, may mga, ano siya, mga wishful thinking pagdating sa connection na to. Okay? And, kaya mas, parang hindi niya alam kung paano talaga, ano yung kailangan niyang gawin, paano niya express yun. Kaya talagang binubuhos niya lahat ng oras niya sa trabaho na lang. Okay? Parang yun yung way of escape niya. Okay? Sige, at the present moment, okay, you have the Eight of Cups. Okay. And the High Priestess. Okay. So here, at the present moment nga, na yun, medyo guarded siya, work, wala nang feeling mo, wala nang time sa'yo. Pero, with the Eight of Cups kasi, ito rin yung parang self-discovery. Magkakaroon siya ng self-discovery. Na, may mga realizations din siya na, ay hindi na tama to. Mahirap, pero this person will make an effort din naman talaga to walk away from that avoidant attachment niya. Okay? And with the High Priestess, there will be deeper connection between the two of you, and that deep connection, okay, will, alam mo yun, yung deep connection na yun will parang trigger yung self-discovery sa kanya. Na, alam mo yun, di ba, ayaw ka rin niya mawala sa life niya. So, and I can see here naman na pinag-usapan nyo to, and you're calling your person out sa mga pinagagagawa niya at the moment. Mahirap, pero if your person is really in love with you, gagawin niya din ang lahat to change. Okay? At sa near future, okay, ayan, Two of Cups, card of love and connection. Okay, and Nine of Pentacles, yan. So, yeah, sabi, there's a decision to be made, and that decision will lead to something better kapag magkakaroon ng balance sa pag-uusap ninyo. And with the Two of Cups talaga, it's a relationship, a good kind of relationship, and the connection is really there. Mas dahil sa love, alam mo yun, yung mas mag-flourish pa yung relationship ninyo pag napapag-usapan nyo siya. And once na magkaroon ng balance and harmony dahil sa pag-uusap, itong Nine of Pentacles will manifest. And the Nine of Pentacles is a card of, alam mo yun, freedom, okay, and security. Freedom from, yun nga, mga past attachment styles ninyo. Freedom also from yung mga inner child wounds na leading to this being workaholic. And there will be more security, leaning towards a secure relationship, leaning towards a secure attachment, leaning towards something na long-term pa. Okay? So, tingnan natin ano yung advice ng universe sa inyo when it comes to this situation. So, bubunot ako ng 3 cards from this oracle deck. And ano yung message and advice ng universe. So, let's see. So, first card, Mandrake, Parsley, and Lavender. Okay, yeah. Very nice. So, first, si Mandrake is a card of emotion and awareness. So, tama. So, first, your person should be aware. Parang you help your person to be aware of his or her tendencies. baka hindi rin siya kasi aware na avoidant siya. Or baka hindi rin siya aware na yun nga yung, kasi may mga tao na parang, yeah, work, 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 work. Tapos ito nga, ang sinasabi niyang intention is gusto nga niyang supportan yung connection, yung finances, pero yung root talaga niya is being avoidant. Okay? So, yeah, help your person out na mas maging aware siya. At with the parsley naman, parsley is a card of trust and commitment. And nakikita ko naman nga, yung sa near future is mas magiging committed siya sa relationship. Not saying na hindi siya committed ngayon, pero leaning towards the secure relationship nga. And with the lavender, so lavender, it's a card of peace and love and also balance. So as shown here kanina, with the two of coins, there will be balance na in the relationship. And mahal nyo talaga yung isa't isa. And there will be more peace of mind pag mas naging secure na yung relationship ninyo. Ayun, so sana nakatulong itong reading na to. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Dito lang sa aking channel. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, mismo, Kita Kids. Ingat!